Good day, everyone. I am Dr. Rita Houchan, and I am a chairman of Bachelor of Science and Information Technology program of the School of Information and Communications Technology at West Visayas State University, Potatan campus. I have been teaching for 14 years now in this university, and I earned my PhD in Education, major in Curriculum Development at West Visayas State University main campus, La Paz, Iloilo City.
Okay, today let's discuss our syllabus in CC 201, Introduction to Computing. Computing, it means the use of computers. So we have first here our university mission, vision, and core values. So our university vision is that a research university advancing quality education towards societal transformation and global recognition. So it means that our university aims to become a research university because through research we can aim quality education and transforming society into a better one and to become our university a global or globally recognized. That is why we as faculty members are required to do research every year, and you as students, you could not get out in the university without having research when you reach in third year and fourth year. And our university mission is that WIBSO is committed to provide holistic education geared towards sustainable growth and development. What is holistic education? It means that we as educators, we will not only teaching, we will not only teach um, subjects like computer, English, Filipino, but we also address your different needs. It can be emotionally, socially, and ethically. That is why we have guidance counselors to address your emotional problem. And we also have different programs like convocation program for you to become involved in social. And of course, we're also teaching you to become a responsible citizens. So geared towards sustainable growth and development, so that when you graduate, you will become grow and develop at your own. It means that you can live at your own feet and you will become employed, become responsible even without the help of your parents. And our core values. We have excellence, creativity, and innovations and service. It means that we as university community we aim excellence. So we want you to become excellent. We want you to become creative and innovative. It means that you will be you will develop of being a responsible and creative and having a common sense to solve problems and of course to serve other people, to serve the community. So our institutional outcomes, so this our outcomes from BOR resolution 79/2020. So you will be the one to read them. Also our college campus outcomes to go west, our college or school of information and communications technology outcomes. So you have to read them and understand. And this subject is intended for BS Information Technology and you are BS Information Technology first year. And we have also our program degree outcomes. Okay, you also read them. Actually, when you are going to summarize the different outcomes, it also the same with our vision, mission, and core values. No, isa lang na ang pakatuan niya, ang aton nga vision, mission, and core values. Kung basahon naton ang different outcomes. So we have here our course number and title, of course, our CC 201 Introduction to Computing, and our prerequisite none because you are first year and I think this is your first subject or major subject in computer, Introduction to Computing. So we don't need prerequisite. Okay. Wala kita sang dapat nga i-take nga subject before magkuha sang CC 201 na Introduction to Computing. Obviously this is your first subject. Okay. So your school year, of course, first sem 2021 to 2022. So our course description, okay, let's read together. This course provides an overview of computing industry and computing profession, including research, amo na ni sabat sang aton to kang mission, and applications in different fields, an appreciation of computing in different fields such as biology, zoology, or sociology, environment, and gaming, an understanding of ACM requirements, an appreciation of history of computing, and knowledge of the key components of computer systems, the organization and architecture of computer, malware, computer security, internet and internet protocols, HTML, uh, HTML4 or 5, and CSS. So it means that in this course we will be tackled HTML. So we'll be writing a code to produce website. So gamito natin ang HTML either 4 or 5 nga version. So let's go back to the first paragraph or first sentence. This course provides an overview of the computing industry. Okay, so in our module will be tackled about the different industries using computers. Okay, computing profession. What are the professions for you to become later when you graduate in this course nga BS Information Technology? Of course, in this course we will be also including research and applications of different fields, an appreciation of computing in different fields such as biology, sociology, environment, and gaming. So it means that there's so many uses of computers. So it can be biology, study of life using computer, study of society using computer, study of environment using computer, and of course, creating games using computer, and also understanding of ACM requirements. So ACM stands for Association for Computing Machinery. This is the world's largest educational and scientific computing society, delivers resources that advance computing as a science and a progressions. It also provides the computing field's premier digital library and serves its members and the computing profession with leading-edge publications, conferences, and other resources. So we will understand how to become a member of ACM because this is a very popular group of professionals that provides library or digital library resources. And of course, it also provides its members the what we call this provides conferences and career resources. So it means that they give seminars for you to become knowledgeable about computing and also help its members to become what we call this career oriented. So career resources, so they will help us IT professionals to find jobs. And of course, they also help us to publish our research. Okay, so we will also be discussing the knowledge of the key components of computer systems. So what are the parts of computer systems, its organization and architecture? Paano ginobra ang computer? Ano ang mga components ng computer? So we have hardware, software, and of course, we will also be discussing about malware. So the malware stands for malicious software. This includes viruses, ransomware, spyware, di ba? May mga virus nga gubo nila ang inyong data. No? Typically, this malware consists of code developed by cyber attackers designed to cause extensive damage to data and systems or to give or unauthorized access to a network. Okay? Mga cyber attackers, those are people who attack your data and computers. Gugubuo niya ang mga computer, gugubuo niya ang imo nga mga data. And we will also be tackling or discussing the internet and internet protocols. Okay, so internet protocol is a set of rules for writing and addressing packets of data so that they can travel across networks and arrive at the correct destination. Okay, amo na ni ang aton nga mga data sa internet. Ginako na sila gina-put into packets, group na sila, and each group consisting of address, no? Kaya ang aton nga para maka-travel across networks and arrive at the correct destination. So, computer security. Computer security, also called cybersecurity, it is the protection of computer systems and information from harm, theft, and unauthorized use. That is why kung may ara nga malware, may ara nga pangontra sa malware, ang natawag nga computer security. So, ang computer security, it can be antivirus software, firewall. So, dapat may antivirus kita kag may firewall ang ating mga computer. And also, stay up to date on the latest software and news surrounding your devices and perform software updates as soon as they become available. Okay? Avoid clicking an email attack or email attachments unless you know the source. Usually, naga-travel or gina-send ang virus through email. You also change password regularly. Also perform daily full system scan, iscan naton sang antivirus, and create periodic systems backup. Schedule to ensure your data is retrievable if there's something will happen to your computer. If there's something happen to your computer, so dapat may backup ka sa mga data. Usually, ibutan nato na sa Google Drive para kung maguba ato ng computer, retrievable ang aton nga data. Pwede ma-retrieve, pwede ma-access naton. So, our syllabus or the contents of our syllabus, we have, okay, the unit 0, we already talk about our vision, mission, core values. So unit 1, it is all about industry in the profession. We will talk about the professions nga pwede naton nga maging mag-graduate kita sa atong BSINFO. And we also have our unit 1, appreciation of computing in different fields like in biology, sociology, diba? Evolution of computing. Di naghalin ang computer nga aso may computer na nga mga nami. So ang computing naga-evolve. So gadugay nga nagadugay ang computer naga-high-end, naga-user friendly. Okay? Then we will also talk about computer systems, organization, and architecture. So we will talk about computer hardware, software, the input, process, output, storage devices. Then number 5, unit 5, we will also talk about the key components of a computer system and operating system. So, ang aton nga computer, may ara na tawag nga operating system like Windows 10, Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8. Amo na sa ang aton nga operating system sa computer para ma-operate nato ng computer. Then, we will also have our Unit 6, Computer Security, ang mga antivirus. Then, we have networks, internet, and internet protocols. And we will talk about this. That is why we are going to code in order to create our website para ma-publish natin or ma-submit sa internet. Then we have introduction of HTML, either 4 or 5, and cascading style sheets or the CSS. So this is our criteria of grading. So we have quizzes, 20%, midterm exam, 35%. So class participation, 10%, supplementary outputs, 35% with a total of 100%. So we have laboratory activities, 20%, practical exam, 40%, project, 40% with a total of 100%. So kuhaan na to ng 40% sa lecture, kag 60% sa laboratory para mangin grade ninyo. So everything here will be done at home. Okay? So we have ang learning outcomes 1 and 2. So amo ni dapat ang inyo maobra pag matapos ang inyong course. Ma-explain nyo ang fundamental principles, concepts, and evolution of computing system as they relate to different fields. Okay? Next, ang learning outcome number 2, pagkatapos nyo isang subject, you can expound on the recent developments in the different computing knowledge areas, and ma-analyze nyo ang solutions employed by organizations to address computing issues. Okay, tatlo atong learning outcomes nga dapat maobra nyo na pag matapos nyo ni ang subject. So we have rubrics for performance test, practical test, and project. Okay, ang rating nyo sa test, practical test, project according sa criteria nga ini. Program correctness, kung sakto ang mga program, effective communication concept understanding, then we have readability sa mga program. So kung manami, exemplary 4, kung acceptable 3, developing 2, beginning 1, kung wala ka gid output, so ang imong score is 0. Okay? So, thank you so much and good luck.